got done selling these. It's finally snowing in Louisiana once again. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I'm about to take this thing out, but I gotta move this first. Look at that. Doesn't even want to open. You guys! Oh wow. Finally, we get snow action again. Been waiting ever since the first one we had a couple weeks ago. Let's crank this baby up! Alright, so I just sold these Roush Stage 3. Came off a Stage 3 Mustang. Sold them to a guy in Tennessee. Hope you like them. I'm gonna, once this snow flurry or whatever you want to call it gets done, I'm sending those out this week. And it's time to get this baby off of the cover. But this thing is completely frozen. So we'll have to do that. Holy crap, it's cold. Oh wow. But that's what you do, who cares? It only snows like once ever. Just kidding, it never snows in Louisiana. That's why we're gonna do this. Holy crap. Oh my god, this thing is completely frozen. Look at this. Look at the icicles on this thing. I'm surprised this thing will probably break on this cover. Oh, this car's never seen snow. Oh well. It's gonna be worth it at the end, guys. It'll be worth it at the end. Oh my god. My hands are frozen. Oh wow. All right, it's finally snowing, guys. Now to go get some snow picks. Put the heat on this sucker because it's hot. I mean, it's cold outside. It needs to be hot in here. It never snows here. This is the biggest snow we've ever had since I've been here for 4 years. We're not supposed to ever get snow just because, I mean, Louisiana never does. I lived in Georgia for 4 years. Gosh, it's still cold. And I lived in Georgia for years since I was a kid. Never saw snow until I went to Colorado last March. And now we're having snow here in Lake Charles, which is crazy. And now I'm determined to get a snow picture since last time I wasn't able to get a good one. So that's what we're going to do today. Oh, the roads are icy, guys. We got to be careful. Oh yeah, these roads are super wet, guys. Oh, these ditches are way too to be doing, playing around too much. Oh snap. I'm not even going 20 and it's getting sideways. Holy crap. Oh. Look at that, guys. Oh. Okay, chill, chill. I ain't trying to do nothing. Look at that. I'm trying to stop and it's just sliding. The thing I don't want to do is fall off this driveway. Oh shit. I rolled down that window. All right, you guys. Ice and snow is nothing to play with if you got stretched tires. This is supposed to be an easy 2-point turnaround, but literally when I press the gas, my tires are spinning. So I don't know if any of y'all face ice, but just be careful if y'all are. Like it's spinning right now. And I don't know you do anything. But now we just back up slowly. Oh, there's a cop. He's gonna be like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Things we do to get pics. Am I right? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna bag this thing down. Oh! Oh yeah, let's go. I just love when my camera dies whenever I'm vlogging, but got it in the garage before I put it back under the cover outside. Gotta melt all the ice off, and I got this thing. Blow all the ice off and wipe it down, and then try to put that frozen wrap back on. Booyah. So I managed to get the cover back on after wiping it down. And it's still partially frozen. Well, it froze, a lot of it froze back just now. And now I gotta fish my wire so the wind doesn't blow. Doesn't blow away. My stuff. Son of a gun. Oh, look at that. It's a champ. It made it through. I forgot to take it off. Thank God it didn't move anywhere. Sit you right there. Sit this just like that. And we're gonna pull down. That sounds like something's breaking, but it really isn't. Oh well. Better than nothing, guys. All right. Fish that through. Fish that through. And lock it. I need to get wheel covers. Yeah. All right. So it's cold out there. I got some fire shots and successfully got some good shots. I got some good shots today. Last time I wasn't able to, and everything is tucked away and we're good to go. One thing I learned today is be careful with the snow with stretch tires, because it's crazy out there, especially when the roads, when it's been raining all day and it finally iced over, then it finally started snowing. The roads were way worse today than just a regular, all of a sudden it just started snowing kind of deal. But if y'all in the snow area, I know how hard it is for y'all. I would hate to be up there. I'm glad it doesn't snow very much here. I was just excited that I got a couple pictures today. So, but that's the vlog. Please like and subscribe, comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me about the car or anything like that. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Y'all take it easy. Be safe out there. How long can I hold this in my hand? I've been going for about 15 seconds now. Oh man. Okay, that's enough. Yeah! We're done.